Hello friends, welcome to Finance Tube. My name is Vishal Thakkar and I am here with an urgent and an important message. A global pandemic called coronavirus is now going to affect us all for some time. The financial impact of the same still needs to be assessed. Let's keep finances aside for a while and let's take this time off to think. What is the direction of our financial lives? How can we plan for our finances in a better way? What kind of financial disaster recovery plan we should have in place in case if something like this ever happens again? This outbreak is going to teach us a lot about financial planning. The kind of revenue loss that businesses are going to suffer, the kind of market crashes that we are going to see are going to be very, very serious. Friends, I have been giving my messages for years that please prepare for an oncoming calamity. Today, the calamity is here, and if we don't plan now, we have a very bleak chances of meeting our financial goals for the year. I recommend you utilize these 14 days in best possible manner and use this free time to upgrade yourself financially so that at the end of these critical days you should be able to come up with a financial plan which is so robust that it takes care of you not only professionally but also in your personal life. Most importantly, avoid rumors, stop forwarding messages which are non-authentic, and focus on creating a better financial future for yourself. Stay protected, be careful. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel, Finance Tube.